How you doing? My name is Dustin. I'm here on behalf of Condor Outdoor. Today we're going to talk about the STRYKE Sling. This is a rendition of the STRYKE Sling here in my hands. This sling is a 2-point sling. It's also a single-point sling. It's very versatile. It is made in the USA. If you can look here at the sling, I'll kind of get some close-ups here. You see that one side of the sling has a bungee on it, has a HK style hook, and next to this HK style hook is a D-ring. On the other end of the sling is another HK style hook and a quick loop. And what I'm going to do today is talk about the proper manipulation of this sling and kind of the way that it was designed. Basically, I'm a right-hand shooter, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the bungee side over my right shoulder, and I'm going to come in with the bottom style HK clip and hook into the D-ring, and you can see it clips in right there nice and neatly. I have this adjusted so it fits very snug on my body, that the clip fits kind of high on the shoulder. And what I have a few different weapons here. I'll show some demonstrations on a few different popular weapons that are out on the market. This here is an M4. It does have a rear attachment here on the weapon. It also has a rigid attachment up here on the top of the rail. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly hook into this sling attachment here at the rear, quickly or not quickly. So once I hook into the sling properly adjusted, the gun does sit at the high ready, so if I had to quickly draw the weapon, I could. It does have a nice leading edge that if I needed to transition, I can easily transition shoulders. The front rigid attachment here, I can dump out of the D-ring, hook in here to my rigid attachment, and now it distributes the weight across my back. The gun sits nice at the high ready. I can still shoulder the weapon if I needed to. If I needed to transition, I do have one excess waist movement that I do pull the quick loop of the sling out, and I can easily shoulder it in the 2-point configuration. I can also dump out of the sling, kick it around to the back side to go hands-on if you need to climb a ladder or scale something. So this sling, it also is a quick release, has some nice ITW fast snaps here. So that was it on an M4. Again, the important part with this sling is the attachments on the weapon system. Here's another popular weapon. This is a Bushmaster ACR. You can see that this one has an attachment here at the rear of the gun. This is in the standard configuration. It's got the Magpul sling attachment here. And this one also got this buckle switched around backwards. Snap in here, snaps into the sling. Gun sits at the high ready also. The same style manipulation can come around on this gun. Again, I can loop off, hook into the front one if I needed to. So very versatile sling. Here's one of the last weapon systems that this sling works really well for. This is the FN SCAR. These are the factory attachments on the SCAR that you can see here at the rear. Also one here at the front. When you hook into these attachments, hooks in nice and neat, nice and easy. Again, you have enough leading edge that you do get the transition with both with both shoulders. So very versatile sling, made in the USA, Condor Outdoor. This is the STRYKE Sling.